Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is a 1986 Casablanca Four Seasons. Got this from Spencer Russian. Followed behind all of my other 86 IntelliTouch castles. I have too many 86 IntelliTouch castles. Came with all the parts. Even came with hangture. I'm using the smooth one because I know you're not supposed to use it's really hard to get electrical the hangture and exposed electrical boxes. I have a pancake box and this is a hunter hangture, so it's newer, it's not recalled. That's why I'm doing that. Here's the tag, Casablanca IntelliTouch, made in the USA, Four Seasons, 1986, and it's a 377th fan made that day. So, yeah, it's a pretty nice fan, it's in really nice shape. Switch capsule, tarnish, that's no big deal. I made a new testing area for my castles because I have this control on the wall. So yeah, it's not plugged in. I gotta plug it in. So, yeah. I feel like the RMM1 is a little bit on its way out, but it's still functional though. It's on its way out, but it's still functional. It's not terrible. It's just a little messed up. This obviously is a flick fan because it is RMM1 and it's not from 87. It's not from 87 or higher. 87 was the last year, but it's 86. So let's do flick mode. Oh wait, yeah, flick mode works. So if you want to stop it, and then the light would be on, and then this would be to shut the light off. And then if you want to reverse it, you. Oh, yeah, see, okay, the IntelliTouch is a little messed up, so let's try to. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the one that Spencer had in one of his recent videos with the RMM1 acting funny. Let's look at. This will be the light off. There you go. Just have to be careful with it. You have to press the buttons, very, gentle. Yeah. This may not come with a control because it was going to cost an extra, I don't know how much, but, I didn't, buy an extra control because that would be, worth, 3 castles at Animation, so, yeah, it's supposed to be one. Here came with all the parts, and I'm even shocked that it has RMM1 and it came with its LDM. That's just shocking. I still have a lot more I need to test that I got for Animation. So just stay tuned for all of that. So yeah, the Four Seasons came in many different finishes. I just got up, so if I can't name all the finishes, I'm sorry. So they came in bright brass, which this one's in, white and brass, antique brass, brush pure, chrome, antique brass, just regular white. Came in antique white because I have one antique white Four Seasons too. It also came in antique white and brass since I have one of the antique white and brass Four Seasons twos as well. So it's not Four Seasons 2, it's just Four Seasons. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just tired. My voice sounds weird. But yeah, I think that covers it. For forgetting finishes, I probably am just really tired. Just got up not too long ago, like I said. But I think I covered all the finishes. Speed 2. This thing runs amazing. The RMM1 is a little funky on it. I am gonna replace the RMM1, but it's just gonna be a new RMM1 board. It's not gonna be a RMM2 or anything, because I still want to have flick. It's the 48-inch fan. Blows a lot of air. It's really nice. It's in amazing shape. Oops. Here's speed 4. is like a medium high kind of speed. I'm gonna speed 5 now. See, this thing acts funky, so let's reset this. So speed 5. I'm just redoing this. 4, 5. I think this is 5. Probably miscounted. That's speed 6. It's really powerful. Even blowing stuff around in the shop. Four Seasons have to be like my favorite fan, except the newer ones, like the Four Seasons 2s and the Four Seasons 3s. Four Seasons 1 is the way to go. It's not made with cheap parts. It's made with a K55 stack and IntelliTouch, and there's also a pull chain option, but it's better. It's 48 inches, so it's not a 50-inch fan, so it flies. It's like a 36-inch fan. Let's go spin data. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.